Today we're going to have a look at how to fix a treadmill belt that is slipping. We will basically strip this machine down so you can get an understanding of how everything works. Once you know the principles behind it, it's very, very simple to adjust it, and yeah, you shouldn't have any problem. Alright, let's get started. We'll strip this machine down and get back in a second. So we've got our treadmill stripped down, as you can see. Basically, we've taken the main covers off, and you can have a bit of a look at what's going on here. So we're going to start from the top here, just to give a quick rundown of what exactly is happening. Down here, obviously, we've got the motor. We've got the motor drive belt, which in turn, as the motor turns, basically makes this belt turn like that. So at the front of the machine, we have a roller, which goes from there across to here, and that is basically what's making it turn. When we go down to the other end, very much the same idea, a roller down this end, which basically turns as the motor turns. The roller up this end here, you should not need to adjust this at all. If this roller here is basically in nice alignment to the deck, like that, you should have no need whatsoever to touch this. This is an absolute last resort, and I do not recommend going near it at all. In most cases, you really shouldn't even need to take the motor hood cover off. We've done that just to show you what's going on. So down this end is where all the excitement happens. I'll grab a couple of tools and I'll show you what's going on. So now that we've got the principles of the belt sorted out and we understand what's going on down the end here, we can adjust our slipping belt. So the first thing we're going to do is fire this thing up. We're going to set it to a speed of about 8 k's per hour. And remember that this guide is only if your belt is running true. So as you can see, this belt is slipping. So what we want to do again, we want to adjust these bits here. I've got an Allen key for each side. Now because the belt is running nice and true and straight, we know that whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. Otherwise we're going to shift it on side to side. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with one full turn on each side. And then we're going to try our stop test again. And we can see that's a little bit better, but it's still slipping. So what we're going to do now is half a turn on each side, clockwise. And we'll do the stop test again. It's a lot better now, but it still needs just a little bit more. So we'll go another half turn on each side. And that is basically perfect now. If you're finding it's almost perfect but still needs a little bit more, only do a quarter of a turn at a time and then try it until you get it right. But basically, this is all running beautifully now, and you can see how quickly we adjusted it, took no effort whatsoever, and yeah, you should be fine. Thanks for watching.